Want to start your own small business? Here I will introduce a small business project. IDskin is a professional brand of Daqin, focusing on providing solution for custom mobile phone full-body anti-explosion protection film and mobile skin. Mobile template software is an app, you can install it on mobile phone and control the cutting machine, very convenient. The app have abundant phone models, like Samsung A70, A80, iPhone XS Max, Oppo F11 Pro and so on, also keep update the newest phone models timely. Cutting machine is knife cutting machine, professional and perfect to cut anti-explosion protection film and mobile skin, no rough edge, very smooth. Small machine, take up less space. Low investment starts at $1,000. Free of stock pressure. Fast and easy operate. Value-added service for mobile store, mobile accessory store, mobile phone repair store and so on. OEM, ODM for IDskin cut software, machine, material, package, cloth, tools and so on. Next, let's watch the operation video.